The Seattle Children's Museum's Discovery Day Camps are a unique day camp experience. Each day features fun and engaging activities for children ages 4 to 10. Each day has a specific theme with educational programming and activities to match. As long as the sun is shining, we'll take advantage of our unique location and have lunch outside while we explore the Seattle Center campus. And of course, campers will have plenty of time to play in our 22,000 square feet museum exhibit space. As an American Camp Association accredited camp, our limited classroom sizes allow for individualized attention with our fantastic camp staff. Our single camp days are broken down to sessions, allowing you to plan the camp adventure based on your childcare needs. Maybe you need just one filler day, or Wednesday mornings all summer, or a whole week. You can mix and match your perfect camp schedule. Visit the SeattleChildren'sMuseum.org to learn more about Discovery Days camps and register your child today.